Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change font size on Yahoo application. Whether you are using Yahoo Mail on your mobile or desktop, this is perfect if you are finding your emails hard to read or just want to customize your Yahoo experience. First of all, launch open the Yahoo application on your device and make sure that you're signed into your account. After you are signed in, go ahead and select an email you'd like to change the font size on from your inbox list. After you do that, go to the top right corner and tap on the AA icon and then slide the little white dot towards the right in order to increase your font size. You can do this for every other mail that you received. Simply select Open an Email, tap on the AA button at the top right, and drag the little white dots towards the right in order to change your font size. You can slide it towards the right to increase it, whereas if you slide it towards the left, you'll be able to decrease the font size. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.